Riddle me this, guys. Why would npm uninstall ever install packages?
Yeah, this was a surprise.
This is what got me
Can,
the best.
can I answer? Can I?
Oh,
Answer?
Chris knows why.
I
Why?
want to
Go-
try. I want to try.
Go
Okay,
ahead.
Because you can add a uninstall or post uninstall or pre uninstall lifecycle script that does literally anything, right?
That's one, but that's not the surprising one.
Okay, what's the surprising one?
So sometimes you have two dependencies that depend upon a third dependency. So we're going to say A and B are two dependencies. They all depend on C. But A wants the 1.1.x, so you're stuck on 1.1. But B wants anything greater than 1.0. So that means B can install 1.2, but not while A is installed.
Okay.
So if you remove A, npm, I said earlier, builds the ideal tree, the perfect version of the world. And then it sees, oh, I could actually install a newer version of C because A is gone. And so removing A updates and installs a new version of C, which can then install, more dependencies.